Welcome back to MacPhee Ford, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XL. This base model F-150 is the perfect truck for the work site. We've got a 6.5 foot long box here, steel wheels. Go ahead and look at some of the interior features. Manual windows, leather armrest on the side here. You've got cloth manual powered seats, electric parking brake, and then interior lighting controls below that. Getting on the inside here, you do have your infotainment screen. There's a heads-up display there. You've got trip fuel odometers here, driver's assist. You have transmission temperature, trailer sway, engine hours. This also has pre-collision with active braking, so lots of safety features in this vehicle. Various vehicle settings with display and my key. On the steering wheel, you've got your menu controls here. Various drive modes too, with normal, towing and hauling, snow and wet, eco, and sport mode. This has a locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Sound system here with Bluetooth for your phone, media controls, radio, and a clock built in too. Lots of neat features in here. Backup cameras built in. You've got some buttons down here as well. Climate controls with your AC and heated and cooling temperatures. Below that, you've got an aux cord and a 12-volt outlet. Another 12-volt outlet is located on this side of the console. Third row center seat up front. That is also a center console with 2 cup holders. You fold it up just like that, and you've got a bar on the side that just brings it back down. Take a look at the back now. You'll notice you've got a 4x4 badge here. Coming around to the very back, you've got a trailer hitch installed here. Backup camera right below the tailgate latch. Built-in tailgate step to help you get into this massive 6.5 foot box. No liner in here yet, but you can put a spray in or a drop-in bed liner. You can load this up with as much stuff as you'd like. Very, very large truck box here. Now, this being a regular cab, you do not have a back seat. This is just a singular cab here. Some of the features here, feel free to pause and look at those. You do have a V8 in here, flex fuel trailer tow package. Manual seats on this side, cloth, rubber flooring. Easier to clean, nice and stain free. You got a nice F-150 badge over here on the side vent, hidden feature of the F-150s. Got your glove box, dual compartment glove box. Behind this seat here, you do have jack stands to jack the vehicle up if you're ever in need of changing a tire on the go. And then on the door cubby here, you've got a cup holder built in, spaces for papers, anything else you might need to toss in there. And we'll take a look at the front. You've got halogen headlights up front, a nice black grille here, black bumper as well, plastic. Tow hooks and plow accessories are available on this F-150 in case you do want to use it to plow in the winter. So come on over to MacPhee Ford to talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this 2020 F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.